What if I told you Python can arrange an entire list in alphabetical order with just one line of code, no loops, no swapping, no complicated logic, just one simple method? Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn another useful Python list method called sort. The sort method arranges the elements of a list in a specific order. By default, it sorts the list in ascending order. We'll also learn how to sort in descending order using a special parameter. Let's begin. The sort method arranges the elements of a list. For strings, it sorts them in alphabetical order. Here is the syntax. List name dot sort. Let's understand sort with the help of program. We created a list named fruits. Notice that the fruits are not arranged alphabetically. Python compares all the elements in the list and arranges them in ascending order with the help of sort method. Since these are strings, ascending order means alphabetical order. After sorting, the list becomes apple, banana, mango, and orange. An important point is that sort changes the original list itself. It doesn't create a new list. Sometimes we want the opposite order. For that, Python provides the reverse parameter. The word reverse is the parameter of the sort method. Setting it to true tells Python to arrange the elements in descending order. For strings, descending order means reverse alphabetical order. So the list becomes orange, mango, banana, apple. Many people think sort returns a new list. It doesn't. It changes the original list. Some write it as new list equals to fruits dot sort. This is incorrect if you expect new list to contain the sorted list. Why? Because sort modifies the original list and returns none. Instead, we write fruits dot sort. If you specifically need a new sorted list while keeping the original unchanged, you'll use the sorted function. So today we learned the sort method. Sort arranges the elements of a list. By default, it sorts in ascending order. Using reverse equals to true, it sorts in descending order. Sort changes the original list. It does not return a new sorted list. That's all for this video. Practice sorting the same list in both ascending and descending order so you become comfortable with the sort method. In the next video, we'll learn the reverse method. Don't miss it. See you in the next one. Happy coding.